What's up, guys? It's your boy, Mr. Fit to Flourish, and welcome back to the Fit to Flourish podcast. This is my daily review of the SPY. So let's get right into it, guys. Let's get right into it. So, looking at the SPY on the 5-minute time frame again, the pink line is the anchored volume weighted average price. The yellow line is 20 MA, the 20 exponential moving average, and then the orange line is the 50 exponential moving average. So let's get right into it. So we gapped up just a little bit today and pushed to the upside. We then consolidated, hit up against VWAP, and then we had sellers step in here. Sellers try to step in, but then we had buyers buy this thing back up, as you can see by this massive bottom side wick. Let's make this big so you can see it. Massive bottom side wick. We bounced off the 20 MA, held on to VWAP, and kept trading above. So this would be a pretty good entry signal when we talk about getting in. And I always talk about this as a slingshot doji. Okay, it's when you have a long bottom side wick showing you have a lot of buyers stepping into the market. Then we have a good bounce off of VWAP, a good signal bar here. So if you didn't get in there, then you could have got in right over here at the 530 level, and we pushed on up. In terms of my second indicator that I use, so I use two indicators. I use the Saudi ATR levels, average true range levels, and I use the EMAs. That's about it. And anchored volume weighted average price. But this blue line shows us that if we get above this line, typically it's a big buy area, so we can continue to the upside. However, SPY was already pretty stretched out here, getting to all-time highs. So we did push up to the push to the upside pretty well, and then we formed what is called an evening star doji. An evening star doji. So we start getting these top side wicks here, as you can see. What does that mean? If we have wicks up top, that means sellers are stepping in. Okay, sellers are stepping in. But look over here, we have wicks at the bottom, a big wick at the bottom. Buyers are stepping in, so we're gonna go up. Wicks at the top, sellers are stepping in, so we're gonna go where? We're gonna go down. So we had a evening star doji followed by a hanging man doji here, and then we had a massive sell below VWAP. But if VWAP doesn't cross below the 20 MA, we're gonna continue going sideways for a little bit. And then you can finally see over here we did get VWAP crossing below the 20. So really a hard take here. You could have took shorts here, right here when VWAP crossed below the 20, but then we kind of consolidated for a little bit, and then price moved back up, but then we rejected at these this support level up here from the top side move. So we rejected right here, and then we had the sell of the century with this overexhausted bearish candle. So this was kind of a tough day for SPY. You could have got in on longs here, and then if you wanted to get in on shorts, you would have to get options a little bit far out. But we did make a pretty good move to the downside, and then ended up coming back up and down. So it was kind of a weird day for SPY. But let me show you something else. So if we come over here to Microsoft, if you're in my Discord, I apologize because I called out calls here. So we had a pretty good move up here, and this is where I entered. I entered right over here on these calls, and I said that our stop loss was going to be, where was our stop loss? 423.32. So we ended up pushing to the upside pretty good. So I mean, it was about a 30% gain, but I was expecting us to push even further, but we ended up selling off. We hit our stop loss, and then we ended up coming back up again, and then absolutely ripped to the downside. But then I did come back with this one, and I said, hey, we have a pretty good crossover here. We have a bearish engulfing bar here. So this red bar is bigger than this green bar. Pushing down, we have VWAP, the pink line, crossing below the 20 MA, which is a good sign to sell. Sellers are strong. So then you can get in here, and then it was an absolute bloodbath from there. Absolute massive gains. But another play that I got in on that I alerted in the Discord, so I came back. So another play I alerted was the same type of move. So we had VWAP crossing below the 20 here on AMD. AMD had a massive rip to the upside, and then it ended up selling off pretty hard, but I didn't want to get in until we had confirmation. We had good confirmation with this pink line crossing below the yellow, which is anchored volume weighted average price, crossing below the 20 MA. This is literally, this is gas. Okay, you're gonna have to pay like $5K to join some random Discord or to just to learn this. Like, this is straight gas, free on YouTube. Anyways, yeah. Anyway, so cross below, we had a good sell signal here, moved to the downside, and this absolutely ripped. I ended up getting out over here. Where was I? 163, right here, 163 at the tap of the 100 MA here. So I got out right here at 163.09ish, and that was a 96% gain on that play, and it looks like it's still going down, so I could have got over 100% gain, but a 96% is insane. But yeah, so that is all I had for you guys today. Really good plays here. I'm going to continue to do this every single day. It is the birthday weekend, so I'm going to be dropping a vlog. I'm going to be going out to dinner with some friends. We're going to be getting on a yacht, doing some I'm going to be doing some day trader stuff. If I was a fake YouTube day trader, I'm going to do a lot of that fake stuff. But yeah, we're going to have a lot of fun, and hope you guys tune in for the next video. Stay fit to flourish, stay fit physically, financially, mentally, spiritually, and continue to grow on a day-to-day basis. Any questions, drop them in the comments. You want to join the team, links are in the bio. I'm out.